Adventist Academy Cebu administrators, faculty, students, parents, and guests, good evening. I have played in several Adventist institutions all over the Philippines, and every time it gives me a good feeling to be in one of them. There is always, thank you. Tonight has been no exception. I feel very good being among people that I know value faith and music as one of the most gracious and beautiful gifts that any human being can have. And the Adventist institutions all over the Philippines value music and faith this way, practice it in their homes, give it to their children, extend it to their institutions. The institutions in turn inculcate in the children these wonderful values. So speaking to your side of the audience, our dear principal earlier mentioned 10 things that music does to the human being. Among them, makes you more intelligent, makes you more calm, it makes you more noble, and so on. The other 7 things, I think, you must have memorized, and I know you practice. And I am very, very happy that on this side of the audience, we have that kind of a sentiment. On the other hand, on the other side of the stage, the young people behind me have shown their achievement in the field of music, aside from their academic studies. By their being musicians and by their having performed the way they have performed tonight, you have no doubt that they have put in hours of sacrifice and focus and dedication. And you know that these things will help them all throughout their life, whether they take music as a profession or not, or whether they have music as a second profession as well. They have provided us tonight not only with entertainment, although certainly we were very much entertained, and you could see that we enjoyed their performance very, very much. But aside from the entertainment that their music provided us, we know it has been proven that music is very, very important, and it increases not only our intelligence, but also our emotional qualities, and it makes us complete human beings. So for this alone, for these gifts, and for the rapport with the people in front of me and behind me, I am very grateful to be right here in the middle of all of you, to be able to express these sentiments. Our gratitude to you, the audience, and my gratitude to the young people in the Classic Youth Orchestra, founded by our very dear Maestro Reynaldo Abellana, whom I would like to call on stage, please. Thank you, Ray. Ray has been one of our first most outstanding scholars at the Sala Foundation, which we started 25 years ago. So 25 years ago, Cebu did not have anything, not even 1/100th of what we witnessed this evening. Ray has been one of the most wonderful scholars that has continued the tradition, and by his establishing his own classic orchestra music studio, whose students you have heard tonight and whose teachers are his colleagues from the foundation, we have assured a classical music tradition for Cebu. So I consider these young people behind me my musical grandchildren. And the little group that you saw after them, the little ones, I have to call them my great-grandchildren. I hate to be 90 years old, but that's what they are. And I would like to reiterate my thanks to Ray, to Classic Youth Orchestra, wonderful, wonderful people, because these are the people that will inspire not only their colleagues, that not only will they bring honor to their own families, but they will certainly bring honor to their communities and to our country. For this, thank you very much, Ray. Thank you very much, CYO, and thank you very much to our audience. Good evening.